Hey, what's up, guys? Today, my grandpa reported a truck, and it may be stolen, and we're gonna go see if it's still there. The truck, and it may be stolen, it may not be. I don't know. But don't go telling your friends that it's stolen, okay? It may be stolen. I don't know. Okay? He just told me it may be stolen. I don't know, but he reported it, and we're gonna see if it's still there. So yeah. Are we going? Okay, I'm going.
I'm not getting around the truck. I just want to walk around the corner and see if they've made any progress. Come on, go.
Okay, we're going.
Okay, we'll be right back.
It may not be there. I don't know.
All we have to do is look around the corner and look down the street and we can tell. Hey, if we walk by it, can you take, well, shoot.
Huh?
I was thinking about taking a picture of the license plate, like a detective. Look down the street and see what.
Should I film the license plate or no?
I don't know.
If I like post if I post like a picture of a license plate, will like get mad at me or something?
I don't know. Let's make
I don't
sure
know if I'm supposed to take a picture of the license plate, but
Hold on.
yeah,
Let's just see.
if it's there, but I'm probably not because I don't want to get arrested. So
Hold on.
where? That one?
Yeah.
That one? Green. Okay, guys, this one. Is it that one? The green one here?
No, you want to?
Oh.
Can we get closer to it? Take a picture?
Yeah.
I wonder. You think it'd be
Is that
safe?
it? The one I zoomed in on.
Or maybe we could memorize it.
I don't know. We're supposed to, like, what are we supposed to do? I don't know. I've never been around any stolen things or anything. I don't even know if it's stolen or not. I don't even know.
See, the thing is, the people that live across the street there are shady, so I don't want to like let them see us looking. You see what I mean? Right across the street. And you see how the truck's been hit? You see how there's crap underneath the truck?
Yeah. There's a piece of crap on your truck.
So maybe I got my phone, maybe I can get a picture.
Yeah. And send it to me so I can upload it. But yeah.
Oh, there it is. Don't put it down for a second. Because I don't know these people, and if anybody gets in trouble, I want it to be me. What if I could just get just a little closer?
Yeah, you
Stay
do
right
it.
here.
I'm staying here. I'm not going to the truck. But yeah, I'm not going there. Shady people. Shady people.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, well,
Man, they are gonna be.
pissed. Yeah, I know. I don't want angry Karens coming at me. So yeah. But yeah.
That was a good adventure. I wish they would come driving up.
Yeah, we could see who's driving it because
Because it's gonna be Enterprise that comes and finds the truck.
if we get a bunch of money for the truck, then wow. But
That would be nice if we got a reward, but probably not likely.
yeah, because it's just a truck. Why is it zoomed in, my camera? when I flipped the screen, it was zoomed in all the way. So, yeah. I'm changing my YouTube channel name. Just like I changed my Likey name. Like I changed my Roblox name and my Likey name. I'm changing my YouTube. I don't care if you don't like it. I'll kick you in the face. If you don't like it, I'll kick you in the face. So yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't go telling your friends that it was stolen. I don't even know, okay? Don't do it. Okay? And I don't want to get in trouble, so don't call the cops or do anything ridiculous. Okay, bye.